just, I don't know, it has a different mood going on when you do that. So I would probably lean in with your solid black with the gingham. I would stay, knowing this sign, I'm going to stay in the same trends of colors and patterns. If I have something that has bats on it, whether it's black and white bats, I think I do, black and white bats. So we can pop that into the mix. Okay, we'll take those out because those don't like really feel like they're participating in this. You could 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You could even add the houndstooth at the end, or you can come in with a solid orange, like, I don't have the Halloween orange, but this is like a burnt orange, and you can just stay within these color palettes.